now home is not the, I mean, priority. Uh, in previous days, April and May, it's okay that we missed our home and we missed our relatives and all these things. But now home is not a priority because Corona is showing us now seriousness, or we are used to in Corona. I mean, now I am more and more involved in Corona patients, hospital isolation ward than family.
Dr. Vandana Patil is the medical officer at Thane Civic Hospital.
Room service.
Work pressure has increased since more of her colleagues got infected with COVID. She has not seen her family for the past 3 weeks.
I am the one who treated our first patient in Civil Hospital Thane. So from that time, I think lockdown, I don't know when it started, but treating first patient in Corona ward is itself is a quarantine period started for me.
This is the longest you've been away from home, away from your family?
Yes, this is the longest period, yes. I never go anywhere for more than 1 month.
Vandana is quick to change into her scrubs whenever she is asked to be on call. Though her usual shift starts in the afternoon. In the initial phase of lockdown, Vandana often had to work 12 hours a day, handling patients in critical condition. 12 hours in a PPE kit added to the challenge of long work hours and a heavy inflow of patients.
Previously it is very difficult. We don't know how to drink water. We don't know how to go for pee. But now we have habit. Again, the climate is helping us. The climate is not that much hot or humid, so we can stay without water.
With more than 30,000 cases, Thane remained one of the major challenges in Mumbai metropolitan region, because in here in the last couple of months there has been an alarming increase in the number of COVID-19 cases. At a time, Thane Civil Hospital itself had reported about 228 patients, which was too much for this government hospital to handle. Now, between all of this, Dr. Vandana used to ensure that she pulls off 12 hours of duty, sometimes an even all-nighter, to ensure that the patients get the required care. Her daily routine involves visiting the patients, ensuring that they are safe, and amid all of this, taking care of the little children who are also tested positive of COVID-19. But her biggest challenge was to ensure that her family members are on the same page whenever she decides to report to work in this war that she would wage daily.
My family used to say, why continuously working for the COVID? Make some reasons and you can take your leave. You have your leave available, so you can take excuses, age excuses or something, osteoarthritis or something. Yes, everybody's family think that our person should be safe.
Initial stage, I was really scared, but you can't be scared, and you can't just stay scared in these things. You have to be strong, you know. Like if I stop you from doing it, there are other doctors also whose family are going to stop them, then who will be tending to patients?
Yeah. What do you think? I can survive or not?
Survive the COVID-19?
At the end of the pandemic, I'll survive or not? What do you think?
You are the strongest. You have survived everything.
Thank you so much. Take care.
थोडं मध्ये मध्ये काढायचं, श्वास घ्यायचा, पण काढताना ते बटन बंद झालं पाहिजे.
Dr. Vandana Patil hasn't taken an off in over 4 months, but she isn't complaining.
नाही, असं नाही, असंच.
For her, this is the first time to prove that doctors aren't just interested in minting money.
99% मार्क, वा छान, मस्त. पहिले अख्ख्या वर्गात तुम्ही पहिले आलात. The era, these 2-3 years, people looks doctors like they are earning money. They have no emotions. They have no sincereness, and doctors are just businessmen and all these things. So this is a good opportunity for government doctors as well as private doctors to prove themselves that they are humans.
When off duty, Vandana exercises and confines herself to her hotel room.
I'm away from home, so I don't want to be alone. I don't want to cry. I don't want to feel that loneliness. That's why I'm doing all this. Because whenever I did this, when I was small, that time my mother, father, they are appreciating me. After marriage, my husband, my daughter. So all that thoughts comes in my mind, and I'm thinking that someone is there with me.
It's past 6 p.m. on the clock, and Dr. Vandana still continues to work on a Sunday. While this week she's pulling a 6-hour duty every day, there will be days when she'll have to pull an all-nighter as well. And yes, this is going to go on. In Thane Civil Hospital, about 9 doctors have tested positive and about 40 nurses have tested positive for COVID-19. And they all have resumed work, thinking that work comes first. This Independence Day, we salute every doctor who ensured that they keep work before family, that they kept patients before their own responsibilities to ensure that the treatment for COVID-19 goes on and this lockdown becomes as successful as their work has proven to be. With video journalist Nitin Fadtare, this is Neha Kulkarni for Mirror Now from Thane.